All right, question number 2 from homework 11.41. Doing a bunch of different probabilities, all reading off of this table here, right? And so, let's see. The first style here, if I can get out of this thing, is just has a diploma. So if there's no given that line, you're looking at everybody. Okay, so the bottom denominator on this one is everybody. So you got to add up all of these numbers. Okay, and if you do that, I think you get 90 if you add them all up. So there's 92 people, 90 people total, right? And then out of those 90, how many have diploma? Well, let's see. So has high school diploma is yes. So that's these people have a diploma. Okay, and if you add those up, it's 81. Okay, so the number that, if you draw it random, the chance they have a diploma is 81 out of 90. Right? 81 of the 90 people have a diploma. And if you clean that up, I think it's 9/10. Okay, part 2. Sorry, I'm going to erase this. Takes me a second here, quick. All right, part 2 is just has diploma and experience. So the denominator is everybody again. So for letter B here, it's everybody in the denominator, which is 90. And then out of those 90, we're drawing one of them randomly. And how many have diploma and experience? That's yes, which is this. Okay, so that is 54 out of 90. Okay, and if you clean that up, 3/5. And remember, the trick, if you need help cleaning up on the calculator, is just type it in, 54 divided by 90. Oops, 54. Sorry, I'm struggling. 54 divided by 90. And then if you hit math and frac, it'll turn it into a simplified fraction. So 3/5, again, is the cleaned up answer to this one. Okay, doing the given that probability ones. So now we're going to look at just part. So we're not doing all 90 now. Now it says has experience given that they have a diploma. So again, this becomes the denominator. Okay, so I'm going to erase this for a second. But if you look at the ones that have diploma, if we highlight those, so here's has diploma and yes, that's our denominator, or those 81 people. Okay, so if you add up 54 and 27, it's 81. Okay, and then out of those 81, right, we're not looking at all 90 anymore. We're looking just at these 81, and out of those 81, how many have experience? So if I focus on these 81 that I highlighted here, the ones that have job experience would be these ones here. Okay, so out of the 81, 54 have experience. So the probability you have experience, given that you're looking at the diploma people, is 54 out of 81, which again, that cleans up to 2/3. Okay, last, oh shoot, I didn't want to do that. Yeah. Okay, last one then. I'm going to erase this. And I normally, on these given that ones, I highlight either a row or a column. All right, so let's pick another color here and highlight a row or a column. Why can I not click out of this? All right, so has no diploma given that they have experience. So again, this is our denominators, that they have experience. Okay, so if we look at the ones that have experience, that would be have experience, yes. That's that column right there. So our denominator is 59 if you add those up. Those are all the people that have experience. And then out of those have experience, how many have no diploma? And I think what happens here is kids do all the no diploma people, but that's not right. It's not 9. We're looking just out of these 59 have experience people. How many of them don't have a diploma? And out of those 59, 5 don't have a diploma. So the probability here is 5 out of 59. Okay, that's it. Thank you for watching.